In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a freebie in Samcart in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to offer a sample of your work, a free guide, or any other kind of digital giveaway, Samcart makes it straightforward to set up a pay-what-you-want option, allowing you to offer your product for free easily. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Samcart's website. If you haven't done so already, you'll need to log into your account. Simply enter your login details, and you'll land on the dashboard, which is the central hub of all your activity within Samcart. Once you're in, look towards the left-hand side of your screen. You'll find a sidebar full of various tabs. We're focusing on the Products tab today, so go ahead and click on that. It will take you to a new page showing a list of all your current products. The next step is to create a new product. To do this, locate and click on the plus New Product button. This will prompt you to enter a product name. Make sure to choose a name that's clear and easy for the public to understand. This will be your product's public-facing name, so consider what would be most appealing to your audience. Now that you've named your product, it's time to modify its payment settings. Locate the option labeled Pay What You Want. This feature allows your customers to decide what they want to pay for your product, but since we want this item to be available for free, we need to configure it accordingly. For your freebie, click to enable Pay What You Want, and then you'll notice an option to set a minimum contribution. This is essential. And here's the key step. Type in $0 as the minimum contribution. This action will enable the product to be available at no cost. It's a simple and effective way to offer a zero-cost item while maintaining flexibility should you want to change the pricing model at a later date. With all these details sorted out, it's time to create the product officially. Look for the button prompting you to save or create your new product. Click it, and congratulations! Your freebie is now set up on Samcart, ready for potential customers to grab without spending a penny. By the end of this quick and easy process, you'll not only have a freebie available for your audience, but also gain a better understanding of how flexible and user-friendly Samcart can be for digital offerings. Remember, offering quality freebies can be an excellent method for attracting new customers and building goodwill with your audience. Thanks for tuning in today, and best of luck with your sales strategies.